5 reasons why you're going to love this home. Gated community, North Scottsdale, single level, 2 bedrooms and 2 bath, and it's close to hiking paths and walking trails. You're going to love this Scottsdale lifestyle. Second home or seasonal retreat, strategic first-time home buyer, well, this is precision buying in North Scottsdale.